We got problems. We got problems. Unless we go Pinto or cross flow, we ain't got enough money to finish this jag. We do not got enough money.
Ricky! Brother!
Hold on.
I got us our golden goose.
What do you got there?
I got us a crate of moonshine. It's a job, simple job we gotta do. We need to get this across the county lines, and they are gonna pay us handsomely for this. Because they haven't got any moonshine over there.
How much moonshine you got there?
We got a few more crates of this that we need to deliver.
Hang on. One second. We can do this too, Jay. We can do this too, Jay.
All we need now, we need us a vehicle that's inconspicuous, it's going to be fast, and we need to be able to drive across back roads flat out, you know, to evade getting caught or anything like that. Though I've sorted this job out, you need to sort the vehicle out. Have you got anything in mind?
We need some boot space. A 1998 Ford Focus ain't gonna cut it.
The Focus ain't going to do it.
We need a two-seater with boot space.
There's a lot of boot space.
I don't think an MR2 is gonna cut it. A Lotus is gonna let us down. No one wants a smart car.
We could always drag out Granddaddy's old Fordson.
I get you running.
We need some flathead power.
Side valve. We got one of them bottles spare for fuel?
We can use one of these for fuel, yeah. Do you think she'll run on it?
You run on that, man.
Let's go get the van loaded up then.
Come drag it over there! Cider if it takes much longer.
Yeah, that's alright.
Alright.
Deliver this damn moonshine, Ricky boy.
We need our money. We need to build this damn race car. You get the showing. I'll see the man.
Yeah,
You got my money?
I got some.
How much money you got, boy?
Huh?
You got all the money.
I see you later, boss. Get the damn moonshine! I'm gonna get him! We got us jack Bill! Woo! You gotta show your back to burn. Let's go this way up. Yeah, fucker. Those got us some damn shine and a motor bicycle. That shine loaded up?
Shine's in there.
You get the hell out of the complex. I got this.
That deal's worked out golden. Sorting out the moonshine, we can sell that on. Bobby's out there sorting out the chicken chaser with that guy. So hopefully we can buy some more race car parts. That's the plan anyway. That's a good day's work.
Oh!
What's on,
Brother!
brother? We need to find another buyer for this moonshine, brother.
Don't worry about that for a minute.
How'd you get on with that chicken chaser?
That's a mechanical horse that boy had to step through. So Dion bought a stroker crank and piston. You got the moonshine?
Got the moonshine here, brother.
I still got the money. The bike's gone. So, we need to spend the money from the moonshine. That can go on the cylinder head. The moonshine can be sold again. And we can buy us some ancillaries.
Cheers to that, brother.
Nice.